Hello dear students. Yesterday we were reading about a lost chicken. एक मुर्गी का बच्चा है वो खो जाता है. हमने कल उसकी स्टोरी पढ़ी थी चैप्टर नंबर 6 and we have completed this story yesterday, but today we will do the question answers of this chapter. So before starting the question answers, I just want to make you remind this story. What was the story? There was a hen, mother hen. She had 3 children. 3 बच्चे होते हैं उसके. She has kept their names also, Sweetie, Spotty and Smiley. तीनों के नेम थे Sweetie, Spotty and Smiley. So the Sweetie and Spotty were obedient for mother, but the Smiley, he was naughty. So one day the mother hen told them that don't go alone outside of the house. You are too small. आप बहुत छोटे हो, so you should not go outside of the house alone. But one day the Smiley went out without asking her mother. She went out of the house. He went out of the house because he want to see the outside world. वह बाहर की दुनिया देखना चाहता था. When he went out, he felt the fresh air was there. ठंडी हवा, फ्रेश ताज़ा हवा चल रही थी. And when he was going, first of all he met a horse was standing near a tree. एक पेड़ के पास में एक हॉर्स खड़ा रहता है. तो सबसे पहले वो स्माइली किससे मिलता है? उस घोड़े से मिलता है. When the horse saw the little chicken, he asked, where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? You are too small. You are too small. आपको अकेले नहीं जाना चाहिए. But chicken did not listen. उसने कुछ नहीं सुना and went forward. आगे चला गया. While walking, चलते चलते it became dark. अंधेरा हो गया and he was tired now. अब बहुत ज़्यादा चल चुका था इसलिए वो tired, थक गया था and he was hungry now. अब वो भूखा भी हो गया था. He was feeling hungry. उसे भूख लगी थी. Then he saw a mouse there. तो वहाँ पे उसे एक माउस दिखाई देता है. He asked the mouse. उसने चूहे से पूछा, Can I get something here to eat because I'm feeling hungry? क्या मुझे यहाँ कुछ खाने के लिए मिल सकता है? मुझे भूख लगी है. Then the mouse said rudely, Nothing is here to give you for eating. यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है कि मैं तुम्हें खाने के लिए कि मैं तुम्हें दे दूँ. So now it becomes too dark more. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा होने लग गया था. Then he said, then he was starting he has started to fear. डरना शुरू हो गया. He was thinking how I will go at home, what will happen now. So sudden a man came there. He took up the Smiley on his hand. Smiley was scared that what will happen, who is this man and where he is taking me, ये कहाँ लेके जा रहा है. But the man put his hand politely on its wing. उसके पंखों पे हाथ घुमाता है and आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग वे, बहुत लंबी रास्ते के बाद ही रीच्ड इन अ होम. एक घर में पहुंचते हैं. एंड यू नो वॉट हुज होम वॉज दैट? दिस होम वॉज ऑफ स्माइली. ये स्माइली का घर था. आफ्टर रीचिंग देयर द मैन सेट इट फ्री. उसको छोड़ देते हैं एंड ही वेंट टू हिज मदर, हग्ड हर and started to cry. रोने लग जाता है. That sorry, without asking you I went, so I am really sorry, but now I will not go alone outside of the house. This was the story. Okay, वह खो गया था but वह वापस मिल गया. Now we will do the question answers of this chapter. See, read and answer. You are having this in your book. Okay, see, fill in the blanks correctly. Fill in the blanks correctly. Okay, a hen has three chickens. The three chickens sleep the three chickens. When you will read this poem, this story, you will get these lines in the chapter, starting of the chapter. The three chickens sleep तीनों बच्चे कहाँ सोते थे? अंडर हर विंग्स. विंग्स आई टोल्ड यू, पंख. एट कब सोते थे अपनी मम्मी के पंखों के नीचे? एट नाइट. Then hop. हॉप मीन्स होता है, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था दूसरी वाली पोएम में भी, जंप करना, भागना, कूदना, उछल कूद करना. They hop in the garden. During the day. During the day. Okay, these are the fill-ups. Now see, we will do question answers. You know, I have told you in the previous chapter, when we were doing the question answer of previous chapter, I have told you how to form answer from question. Again we will do the same. Question number 2. What are the names of the 3 chickens? What are the names of the 3 chickens? तीनों बच्चों के क्या नाम थे? Okay, now answer. What are the names of the 3 chickens? So how we will form the answer from question? Let's see. From here we will start the answer. The names of the 3 chickens. The names of the 3 chickens are, क्या क्या थे उन तीनों के नाम? स्वीटी, स्पॉटी एंड स्माइली. Okay, this is the answer. You have to learn only 3 names: Sweetie, Spotty and Smiley. These sentence you will get in the question only. You have to learn only 3 names: Sweetie, Spotty and Smiley. Okay, now see question number 3. Whom does Smiley meet in the outside world? Whom does Smiley meet in the outside world? In the outside world. घर के बाहर के दुनिया में स्माइली है वो किससे मिलता है? किससे मिलता है? स्माइली कहाँ से लिखेंगे? यहाँ से. स्माइली मीट्स a horse and a mouse in the outside world. Okay, means Smiley meets a horse and a mouse in the outside world.